It happens to the best of us. Pimples and bumps, they pop up out of nowhere. Now there are a lot of conventional treatments and some of them may actually work, but they also come with a lot of side effects. So that's why I'm here at Just For You Salon in Tempe, Arizona. Come on in and meet Miss Loretta Wilson. To give you a little background on Loretta, she's not just any esthetician. She truly believes in a sustainable lifestyle. Remember, she showed us how to raise and spoil your chickens and also how to make straw bale gardening easy. Today, it's all about acne. Loretta owns the salon, and Loretta, you're also an esthetician, right?
I am.
So Loretta says there are a lot of ways to actually get rid of that acne or even prevent it with things you may already have at home that's natural and better for your body. What is the mistake that a lot of us are making that's making us look like teenagers?
Diet Cokes and Coke. That's and sugar.
Food. Yes.
Those are the three things that cause acne the most, especially with teenagers and adults. The more natural food you eat, obviously the better your skin is going to be, because you can always tell when I have a client and they come in and their face is filled with acne, I know they got a bad diet going on. So I try to straighten them out.
And then water, you say, plays a
Lots
huge
of
part.
water. You know, if you don't like water, you just need to try to start liking water. Just squeeze some lemon in there, bring your pH up to a good level, and make it work for yourself. But drinking Cokes all day as a form of your liquid is no good. If you have just bumps on your face and the usual acne, this is just the best of all.
Witch Hazel, yes.
It's been around for 100 years, and it's no wonder why, because it's still working like it did 100 years ago. Witch Hazel is always the base for all toners. The first ingredient you're always going to see is Witch Hazel. So I have my clients take this Witch Hazel and I just dress it up with my secret ingredients. We have Epsom salt, and you just take a couple aspirins here, 2 aspirins and Epsom salt, and add it into your Witch Hazel, and before you use it, give it a shake and put it on your face. It works amazing. Now if you just have bumps you want to deal with, gauze. We all know about what gauze is. And gauze is so nice because it's rough, okay? And so after you make your ingredients in here, you dump some in the gauze, and you just sit there and you just scrub your face with it. And you'll start to break up all that's congested in your face. Literally overnight, you'll see a difference in your skin just from using gauze and the Witch Hazel. The good thing about the gauze, you can literally rinse it out and use it 10 times.
That's saving money. It's
I don't use gauze one time and throw it away and cost too much, you know. And so I scrub my face, and no moisturizer. If you've got acne, stop using moisturizer, because that's causing your acne. And the other secret ingredient I have here is hydrogen peroxide, not the brown bottle peroxide. It's 3% food grade peroxide. If you've got that red inflamed acne skin, you just put it on a cotton ball and you put it over it, and it instantly will start to heal your skin. However, you cannot get this in your eyes. It will create a burn. Now, here's a great thing for
What is this?
This comes out of your firewood pit.
What?
This is
She
firewood
just said
ash.
use everything. Don't throw anything away. I love it.
This is firewood ash. I have customers bring it to me who burn a lot of firewood in the wintertime. I'm not talking about the fake wood. I'm talking about burning real wood.
Okay.
And you get this out of your firewood, and I put it through a blender to make it real powdery. And then I'll mix a little bit with this and a little paste, and I'll make a mask out of it. And then when my mask is done, I don't rinse it off. I just wipe it off with my hands. Just wipe it off and leave it on all night. It'll literally start to heal you overnight.
And then we know too, a lot of essential oils are good. Tea tree oils, those type of things are really good to put on at night. Why are those so good?
You know, I would even mix the tea tree oil with some of this if you possibly can, to have a carrier, because true essential oils will also burn your skin. So you have to be very careful how you use them. But if you're going to just use a dab of real oil, I would just get a little tiny little brush and just one little pinch, because the oil will spread. So you don't want to start scarring your face, but if you feel like that really helps you, the smallest dot you can use, the better.
Okay guys, so if you're really trying to move in the right direction towards being more self-sufficient, going natural, especially things we have at home, that's really a good step in the right direction. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All right guys, so we're going to have these recipes and things that Loretta talked about on our website, greendesert.org. Thank you for giving us all the... Thank you for making us look beautiful, Loretta.
There you go. You're welcome.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to all of our pages, share our videos, and thank you again for watching.
Bye.